Hello, everyone. Before we begin, let me ask you one question. Have you ever wanted to start something new, but felt afraid to begin? Maybe you had a dream. Maybe you had an idea, but you had no money, no support, no experience. Today's story is about a young woman named Emma. She worked an ordinary job, but inside her heart, she wanted more. She wanted to build her own shoe business. Many people laughed at her. Many people said she would fail. She faced stress, problems, and doubt. But every time life became hard, she said only one sentence: I can do it. This is a story about courage, about starting small, about believing in yourself when no one else does. So stay until the end. Now, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Her name was Emma. She lived in a small town. Life there was quiet and simple. Emma worked in a clothing store. Every day, she helped customers choose bags, shirts, and shoes. She noticed something interesting. Many women wanted beautiful shoes, but good shoes were expensive. Cheap shoes often broke quickly. Emma thought, why is it so hard to find shoes that are beautiful, strong, and affordable? That question stayed in her mind. She loved fashion. She loved design. She loved helping people feel confident. Slowly, a dream began to grow inside her. She wanted to start her own shoe business. When Emma told others her idea, many people laughed. A shoe business? You need a lot of money. You know nothing about factories. Too risky. Even some friends said, just keep your normal job. Their words hurt her. At night, Emma sat alone in her room. Maybe they were right. Maybe she was dreaming too big. But deep inside, she felt something stronger than fear. She believed this idea mattered. She looked in the mirror and said softly, I can do it. Emma had little money, so she started small, very small. She saved part of every paycheck. She stopped buying unnecessary things. She learned online about shoe materials, design, and business basics. After work, she sketched shoe ideas at night. Simple shoes, comfortable shoes, beautiful shoes. She used her kitchen table as an office. Paper everywhere. Samples everywhere. Coffee cups everywhere. It was messy, but dreams often begin in messy places. Every night before sleeping, she repeated the same words. I can do it. After many months, Emma made her first small collection. Only 10 pairs of shoes. She posted photos online. Then she waited nervously. 1 hour passed. Nothing. 2 hours passed. Nothing. Then suddenly, first order. Emma screamed with joy. A stranger bought 1 pair. Soon another order came. Then another. She packed each box carefully by hand. She wrote thank you notes inside. When she shipped the last box, she smiled with tears in her eyes. It was only 10 pairs. But to Emma, it felt like 10,000. Her dream had officially begun. Success did not come quickly. Some customers loved the shoes. Some returned them. Some sizes were wrong. Some shipments were late. Money became tight. Stress became heavy. There were nights. Emma wanted to quit. But each time, she looked at her first shoebox, kept on a shelf. It reminded her how far she had come. Then she said again, I can do it. And she kept going. After the first sales, Emma felt excited, but the next weeks were quiet, very quiet. Some days, no one ordered anything. She checked her phone again and again. Still nothing. Doubt slowly returned. Maybe it was just luck, she thought. But she did not stop. She improved her designs. She listened to customer feedback. She changed materials. She made the shoes more comfortable, better step by step, small progress, not fast, but real. Every night, she still said, I can do it. One day, Emma received a message from a customer. The woman wrote, These shoes are amazing. They are comfortable and beautiful. Thank you so much. Emma smiled widely. But the story did not end there. That customer posted a photo online. She wore Emma's shoes in the picture. She wrote a long, positive review. Many people saw it. Many people shared it. Orders started coming again. Not hundreds, but more than before. Emma realized something important. One happy customer can change everything. Soon, Emma faced a new problem. Too many orders. She worked alone. She packed boxes all night. She answered messages late at night. She checked quality again and again. Her hands became tired. Her body became weak, but she could not stop because customers were waiting. One night, she sat on the floor, exhausted. Boxes surrounded her. She closed her eyes and almost cried. This is too much, she whispered. Then, she opened her eyes again. No, I asked for this chance. I can do it. And she stood up again. Emma understood. She could not continue alone. So she made a big decision. She hired one helper, then another. A small team started to grow. They worked together. They improved production. They reduced mistakes. They delivered faster. Emma also created a simple brand name, a logo, a clear message, comfort, beauty, confidence. Her business became more professional, not just a small idea anymore. A real company was forming. After 2 years of hard work, Emma stood in front of a small shop. It had a glass window. Her logo was on the door. Inside, her shoes were displayed neatly, clean, beautiful, real. She opened the door slowly. Customers walked in. They touched the shoes. They smiled. They bought them. Emma stood quietly in one corner. She watched everything. Tears filled her eyes. This moment was not easy. It came from long nights, from doubt, from failure, from courage. She looked at the shop again and whispered softly, I can do it, and I did it. This was Emma's story. A young woman with a simple idea and a strong belief. Maybe your dream is different, but the feeling is the same. Fear, doubt, slow progress. Remember this, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. And every day, tell yourself, I can do it.